Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type c:, then hit enter.
Then type cd space c:/ and hit enter.
Type in cd space Windows and press enter.
Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter.
Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute.
Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd.
Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter.
Now type attrib space c:/ boot bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command.
Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter.
Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.